Good morning, friends. Today, let me go through Python. So let us have an overview of Python. So Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive, and an object-oriented scripting language. So it's designed to be highly readable and is case-sensitive. It uses English keywords frequently, as other languages use punctuation, and has fewer syntactic constructions than other languages. So as C++ are compiler oriented, they get compiled. So Python is an interpreted language, so it's a runtime by the interpreter. So here you don't need to compile the program as such, so just directly it is an interpreted language. So it's similar to Perl and PHP. Python is interactive, so you can actually sit on the prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write programs. So it's like a command. So if you use the Unix shell programming, so where it's the bash shell, how it helps you to type the commands and see the output. Similarly, Python prompt will help you to type the commands directly, and the output will be produced on screen immediately. So even Python supports object-oriented language style, so that encapsulates the code within the objects. Similarly, C++ or Java object-oriented concepts. So Python is a beginner's language, so it's very simple to use. It can be a great language for beginners, and it is used as a wide range of applications from simple text processing to games. So Python, some easy features as I discussed earlier. So it's easy to learn, easy to read, easy to maintain. So a lot of standard libraries are available. So that is compatible on Unix, Windows, and Macintosh. It's an interactive mode, it's portable, it's extendable, so it can be connected to the databases. It's well equipped with GUI programming. It supports GUI, it's scalable, it supports functional, structured, and OOP. So it can be used as a scripting language and combined with bytecode for large applications. So it can be easily integrated with C, C++, COM, ActiveX, Corba, and Java. So two modes of programming in this. One is interactive and the script mode. So interactive adds the interpreter, so you don't need to pass the file over here to directly type and get output. In the script mode, so there's a script, so where you need to save the file, you need to write the code in the file, and you have to save it as the extension as .py, and you can that script can be run on the interpreter. So as C++ has some keywords, the language has keywords, so there's some set of basic keywords what you can have. If you compare the keywords, it's almost similar to other programming languages. And in Python, the indentation is enforced, and it's one of the most important features in the Python. So you may observe that here's example. I may have this is incorrect, so when it's marked over here, it's an incorrect programming, where you see under the else the print and the print false. So if this indentation, it plays a wrong, it gives a wrong output. So here indentation is a must. The above, if true, print answer, print true. So these are properly indented with proper spaces, so one below the other. So this will be under this if condition. But whereas this else will only print the answer, but the false thing will not be printed, not be part of the else, as it is not indented under the print. And Python supports multi-line statements. Python supports some of the data types that we'll see. The condition in the Python will be you may use a single quote, you may use a double quote, you may use triple quotes for the string laterals. All are not the same. So comments in the Python could be using hash. So hash should be prefixed at the line of statement which you want to make as a comment. So waiting for the user, that is, if user wants to input from keyboard, then there's a function called as input. So when you make the input with a press the enter key to exit, or this could be a primitive statement, so input, so the interpreter will wait for the user to enter the keys on the keyboard. So those are some basics of the Python characteristics and how the Python is useful. So those are various features that we have discussed under the Python. So thank you for watching this video.